Alright guys, check it out. What do you guys think? 2023 Civic parts car right here. The front end is good, but the back is all pushed all the way in. Another 2022 Civic. Looks good. Got a little bit of damage on the right front apron and frame. We're thinking of cut this thing in half. Right there, garbage the back. Cut this one in half. Take the back, weld it back to this side. What do you guys think? Comments below, see what you guys think. Think it's a good idea. This is a touring, top of the line. This is a LX, almost base, with the 2-liter. That one is a 1.5 turbo. Let me know. Let's go. Alright guys, check this out. This is Bonanza. Crazy, man. This is a parts car. You probably remember if you follow the channel. 3 months ago, we brought this in for one of the vehicle that we build. So we took a whole bunch of parts on here, put it on that one vehicle, and then we have another vehicle. This is our second project, 2022 LX. You got hair right here. Apron is bent in. The frame is bent. The rad support looks okay. So parts car right here. The front of this thing is mint. The back is got hit, push in, got rear-ended right there. And then over half of the vehicle is mint. So this is a parts car. We are going to salvage the most parts as we can by taking out the engine, transmission, everything around the engine. We're gonna put it on the side, put it on the corner over there. We're gonna cut the apron, the shock tower, the frame. We're gonna make a series, a video of that. We're gonna be cutting it right here. We had a mechanic coming into our shop, body shop mechanic guy. He marked this, cut it there. He marked her here, all the way inside, on the floor, on the firewall. Got it through here. Here's a line. Man, this is gonna be bonanza. Crazy looking at this after. A lot of work, man. So after cutting that, this vehicle is not gonna move anywhere after that because we have no wheels on this side. So this vehicle could be stuck in the garage, so we decided to cut some more. Obviously, we're gonna take out the glass. Thinking of we're gonna use this glass to our Type R Civic in the shop. I had a video of that, check it out. Hail damage on the Type R. So we're gonna use this windshield. I hope it's the right windshield. We're gonna double check the VIN on this windshield and then the VIN on the Type R windshield, see if it's the same part number. And when we take out the windshield, we're gonna be cutting all the way up on top right here on the drip rails. Who knows, probably way back here. We're gonna cut the outside and we're gonna cut the outside on this side. The side panel is we're gonna salvage. Obviously this side right here, it's all pushed back. This is garbage, but we're gonna cut it. The roof, we're gonna save the roof. We're gonna save the roof, cut it right here as well. And then the floor, from here we cut it all the way across. My God, so it's gonna be big piece on this side and another big piece on that side. Right here as well, we're gonna cut it. And the rest we're gonna throw in the garbage. That's it. This thing is gonna get cut in pieces. I'm guessing will be like 3 pieces or 4 pieces on this car. So stay tuned, guys. Follow the channel. Give me a thumbs up. We're gonna do a build on this Honda Civic 2022 and up. This is our project car. This is our parts car. Driving this thing is ridiculous. It looks tiny compared to that one right there. Because there's no fender, there's no bumper, there's no hood. Driving it with no 4 doors is ridiculous. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Thumbs up. See you guys again on the next one.